Hey guys, happy Wednesday. Thanks for joining me. Today we're going to be working inside. I just came outside because the heat was on and it was so hot. And we had a little bit of snow last night, lots of little flurries. So we've got a light coating outside, which makes it feel very wintry. Today we're going to go in and we're going to work on my shelves, adding that fun, festive Christmas touch. Okay, so I already shared the hanging ladder and this vignette. Now we're going to decorate down below in these cabinets. If you have a hutch or if you have a cabinet, something like this where you would like to illuminate your pretties, just add a simple LED light. I'm going to link it below for you. It has 3M sticky tape on the back. You simply peel it off, just simply pull the backing off and then push it around the cabinet, just like that. And then we did have to drill into the cabinet. So we drilled in the top right-hand corner. You can barely see it. We did it up top, so you can't really even see it. But anyway, it's a great way to illuminate all your beautiful decor without breaking the bank and having to add those fancy schmancy lights, you know, here, 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 and down below. It's just a one and done kind of thing. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get down on the floor and I'm just going to decorate. I'm going to bring the camera over and hopefully these ideas will inspire you so that it can work for any tabletop decor. It can work for any hutch decor, any, you know, cabinet or open shelving decor. So this is just to give you some inspiration and ideas using some of my normal everyday decor mixed with Christmas. I'm on a bit of a time crunch today. We have to go deal with the fire issue at the other house, and we had a cleanup crew there over the last several weeks. Today we're going to inspect, and then we've got some other odds and ends to complete before we can start doing the restoration of the kitchen. So anyway, that's going to cut into my day. It was sort of unexpected. So let's get into it. 2 books. So I'm adding 2 books and I'm just simply leaning them. It's sort of just a space filler. Now I'm going in with a rustic wood cake stand, and to that I'm going to add a pine wreath. Love adding little textural elements. To that I'm going in with this beautiful Creative Co-op glass candle holder. And now a flameless flickering candle. I love to add ambiance. And now I'm going to add 2 wooden block presents that I got at Hobby Lobby. One's in white and one is in red. Both say Merry Christmas. And really, that's all there is to it. And that's it for the top shelf. The bottom shelf. We're going in with this beautiful plate. I found this plate at Home Centric, but you could also find similar ones at Home Goods, Marshalls, TJ Maxx. They're not only beautiful, but they're inexpensive. Now I'm going in with this adorable nutcracker. You can also find these nutcrackers at Ross, Home Goods, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, those kinds of stores. Very inexpensive. Where's the comb when you need one? I need to brush his hair. And now I'm going in with this beautiful wreath that I found on Amazon. It's also very inexpensive, but it really is festive and beautiful with those colors. Now I'm going to go in with this beautiful resin deer. I found this on Amazon last season, and I have a set of 2. And I can't remember if they came as a pair or if I bought 2, but I'm not sure if they're available. But if I can find them, I will link them below because they are really pretty. And now I just wanted to sort of stand back so you could see how it looks and where we're going with this look. I also wanted to point out that when the doors are shut, you don't even see the lights below that are illuminating the cabinet. Now, on to the next set of shelves. Since Nutcrackers are kind of my theme this year, we're going in with 2 more to kind of tie in with what you see behind me. I'm keeping this super simple. I've decided to move the taller Nutcracker over and then put the shorter one beside it. I'm going in with these taper candle holders, but really I'm just using these as little sculptural objects. And a little greenery pick. Now down below, I'm going in with this sculptural object, and I'm going to use it more or less like a riser to elevate a decorative Christmas present. Both of the present decor is from Hobby Lobby. And now I'm going in with 2 beautiful vases that I found on Amazon. I'm using them as candle holders, so they can be used for either or. They're very versatile and they come in different colors. And now I'm going in with an LED flameless flickering candle. Do you see how beautiful that looks when you put it in the vase? I just love it. Now the next candle I have definitely needs a new set of batteries. You can see the difference there. So I'll do that, but look how pretty that looks. I love it. Ambiance is everything. Once again, over here, keeping it super simple. I'm going in with this black pot and a topiary ball. I mean, it doesn't get easier than that. Now again, on this side, we're repeating the wood block presents that I put on the other side. Okay, so on the last shelf, we're going to sort of mimic what we did on the bottom shelf to the far left. So they sort of look alike. We're gonna be going in with the same items. Amazon. I got this at Home Centric last year, but you can get these at Hobby Lobby, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, those sorts of stores. And then I will be filling in with some everyday decor that I have. it turned out super cute, and it just goes to show it doesn't have to be everything Christmas. You can just do splashes here and there while still utilizing some of your everyday decor. I wish I could have done a longer video because I have another cabinet up on the stairs landing, and it's a smaller cabinet, and I wanted to do something creative with my baby Jesus, Joseph, and Mary. So that will be coming, and we'll decorate the inside of those cabinets. All right, guys, have a great, wonderful rest of your day. Again, I thank you guys so much for joining me and for all of your wonderful comments. I'm sorry I haven't been responding. I got really sick, and feeling better today, so that's good. We're on the upswing. I most likely will see you guys back here Friday. So until then, mwah. Bye, friends.
When everything is white, glimmering silver white, and stillness fills the night, it's Christmas.